Super chat features, comment settings on posts and more things on YouTube. Let's go now and see how to do this. Before we go, please subscribe to the channel to reach every important video we upload to the channel, and press like and share it the video. So in the YouTube Visual Studio, here you select your channel, and from your channel you will find here in the upper menus uh, videos, playlists, live podcasts, community. Press in community or posts here, community. And here you can write a post or submit an image or image pool, any things you do. So from here you select image, on here you can write this post, okay, and you can include any image. Here you can select the visibility condition, if it's public or all channel members or silver level or any golden level and so on. Okay, so I will select public here, public, and here you have to select an image. For this one, select from your computer, from downloads you can select any image. This image as example, and then post. Thanks for watching the video. If there is any comment or asking question, I will reply you as soon as possible.